Okay, so let us have now the new topic to be discussed. Tuloy-tuloy tayo class ha, para hindi natin ma-miss yung mga lessons, no? We are now on our, how many weeks? 8? Pang 8 week na natin ngayon, tama ba? Or 7? Yes, parang pang 8 week na natin to. So, 2 plus 4 plus 2. Yes, we are on our 8th week, no? For the school year 2022-2023. Paano naging buwan? Oh my God! Okay. So, on Wednesday, may pa-quiz ako. Yes, PR2. Ha? Mamaya ang quiz natin ay PPG at Diaz. Wala pa kayong quiz sa Diaz. PPG and Diaz. Sa PPG, may quiz tayo, isa lang. Isa, no? Once. But with pang second yung activity nyo. Then in discipline and ideas, wala pa talaga. Diba? So, we are going to have that later on. Okay, now, let us discuss first the research design. Okay? So, what do you know or what is your understanding about research design? Ano ba to? Ito ba ay art or is this some design with regards to the representation of a certain artwork? Kaya siya tinawag na research design. So, when we talk about research design, it is what we call a master plan, no? Specifying the methods and procedures for collection and analyzing the needed information, no? This is according to William Zygmunt, no? So, the definition of research design he provided is that it is what we call a master plan. No, parang plano, 'di ba? Ito ay isang plano na nakapaloob doon ang iba't ibang methods or pamamaraan, procedures kung papaano nyo ikakandak ang inyong research. And in the conduct of the research, you are going to consider the collection and the analysis of the data that you have collected for further information, no? For the needed information which are vital, no? For the accomplishment of your research. Did you get me? What is research design? So, kumbaga, ito yung ating Bible. This is our guide. How are we going to conduct our research? No? So, kumbaga, ito yung plano. Kung pagpapagawa tayo ng bahay, ito yung plano. No? Na susundin or sinusunod natin while the house construction is going on. No? So, in this particular quantitative research, this is what we call the master plan. No? Master plan. Okay. So, when it comes to naman sa paggawa ng ating questions or the statement of the problem, kayo masyadong maingay, class. Napupwersa kasi yung aking vocal cords. Masakit ang dibdib. Okay. So, konting lang. Please bear with me for the inconvenience, no? Because as much as I want to, kaya lang hindi ko na kayang, yung malakas na malakas yung boses ko. Pero para sa akin naman, at this point, malakas na talaga yung boses ko, 'di ba? Kaya sana, wag masyadong maingay or pwede kayong mag-ingay if you want to ask some questions, no? And don't worry, I am going to acknowledge you, 'di ba? To raise your questions. Excuse me. Okay. Another. Research design is the plan, structure, and strategy of investigation conceived so as to obtain answers to research questions and to control variance, no? So, pagkakandak nyo or para masagot nyo ang inyong mga questions, you are going to follow what is in your research design, no? So, that's what we call the research design. Okay. Another, research design helps in identifying the appropriate method of gathering information. Because you already have the proposal, diba? Because you already have chapters 1 to 3. So there is no more problem for you with regards to the conduct of your research. Because you are going to follow what is the research design. No? You are going to follow with what is the method or the strategy that you are going to employ as far as the completion of your research is concerned. Okay? Another one, class. Research design is ideal to solve the problem identified, no? Because you already identified your problem, so therefore it is already embodied in your chapters 1 to 3, diba? Chapter 3 is all about the methodology, no? Research methodology is your chapter 3 of your thesis construction. No? So, the research design helps you in solving the problem, no? Is stated in your research, no? Or this is what we call the anong tawag dito? This is what we call the strategies, no? Or your statement of the problem will be solved sa pamamagitan ng inyong research design. Okay? Next. Okay, now, the three methods or the three types of research class are also what we call the approaches in research. Okay? Nakasubaybay ba? Para nag-ML lang yung iba. You are holding your phone, but some are doing the ML, and only few, I can see here, only few are concentrated on the PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Sige. Now, let's continue. Let's move forward with the different approaches in research. No? Class, the different approaches in research ay katulad din ng sinabi ko sa inyo na different types of research. Kasi, yun yung approach, di ba? Yun yung atake. Yun yung kung paano gagawin ang research. Okay? So the first one is, what is the first approach? Qualitative. The second one is mixed. And the other one is quantitative. Okay. Kaya sinabi na mixed yung second because of the combination of the two types, no? Of the two approaches, which are the qualitative and the quantitative research. Diba? So, if you are going to analyze class, yung mixed method is also what we call the triangulation. Very good. Sino nagsabi ng triangulation? Dito sa side na to. Si Joyce. Okay, very good. Alam ni Alam ni Joyce yung natin. Hindi siya, ibig sabihin, nakikinig siya, hindi niya nalilimutan. Yung lecture ko, first week pa lang, na-lecture ko na to sa inyo. Diba? Okay. So, don't forget that the mixed method is always called the triangulation approach. No? Okay. So, what's the difference between quantitative and qualitative? Na-discuss ko na sa inyo to, no? So, sabi natin, pag sinabi natin quanti, it can be quantified, no? So, quantifiable siya. Pag sinabi natin qualitative, this is all about the quality. You are going to have a narrative or verbal interpretation. Naintindihan po? Okay, next. Yan, eto na. The two general types of quantitative research designs are what we call Onofre. Ay, Del Carmen pala. What are the two? Theron. Sige, Del Carmen, go.
Non-experimental and experimental.
Correct. No? So, ito yung general types of quantitative. These are what we call the non-experimental and the experimental. Diba? So, dalawa lang ang ibig sabihin. Pag sinabi nating non-experimental, hindi kayo magkakandak ng experiment. No? Pero, you are going to describe or i-correlate ninyo or try to correlate the different variables. No? So, non-experimental and the experimental naman is you are trying to conduct an experiment to be able to get a complete and accurate answer. No? So, you are going to conduct experiment. And you are going to find out ano yung hinahanap natin sa experimental. Yes, the cause and effect. Hinahanap natin ano yung dahilan, ano yung nagiging epekto. For example, academic performance of grade 12 senior high school, no? In PR2 using the anong tawag natin dito? Using the peer tutorial approach. 'Di ba? So yun class, experimental yun because you are trying to find the effect. No? You are trying to find out the effect. There is the cause and there is the effect. Okay, next. So, in the non-experimental, meron tayong 3 types, no? In the non-experimental. So, the first one is what we call the descriptive, longitudinal, and the correlational. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na relationship. No? Descriptive. Okay? And then, Doon naman sa experimental, we have the true experimental design and quasi experimental design. Quasi. Okay. Let us take them one by one. Okay. Itong non-experimental, di ba? Number 1 is the descriptive research design, no? I also use this design in conducting my dissertation study. No, ginamit ko tong descriptive research design. So ano daw tong descriptive research design? And what is this descriptive research design? Teka lang.
Recording stopped.
Ha?
Paka-finalist ko kasi wala.
Ano ka na ubay pa?
Baka video.